Apple just dropped new AirPods for Pro users, and I have them here. So what are we waiting for? Hi, I'm MICHAELJOSH. You're watching Gadget Match. Let's dive straight in. This is our AirPods Pro unboxing and hands-on. Okay, let's dive in. All you have to do is pull on this white tab to remove the plastic. Once you're done, you can lift on this lid. AirPods Pro front and center, folks. Let's peel this off. First impressions? The case looks the same, but it's wider and shorter than the AirPods. Let's take a look at them side by side. This is also a wireless charging case, by the way. Also in the box, some paperwork. This little packet over here has some silicone ear tips. They come in 3 sizes, small, large, and the ones on the AirPods are medium. More on that later. And last but not the least, a USB-C to Lightning cable. Now, my favorite feature of AirPods is how easy they are to set up. My favorite feature of AirPods is the ease of pairing. All you have to do is just flip open the lid close to your iPhone, and the pairing process will begin. Just hit connect. Last week on GadgetMatch.com, we reported on the rumors of these AirPods Pros, and I obviously got really excited because I am an AirPods fan. Now, because I wanted to prepare for this video, I put together a list of things that I wanted to see. Here's my wish list. Number 1, smaller form factor, maybe in-ear design. Number 2, better sound. 3, the ability to use custom foam tips for a more customizable fit. 4, noise isolation, so that other people don't hear what you're listening to. 5, noise cancellation. And 6, a Find My AirPods feature. Because as you all know, I lose my AirPods all the time. And I'll tell you now that Apple delivered on 5 of my 6 requested features. While these are unmistakably AirPods, they have an all-new design. The stem is shorter but slightly wider, and the internals slightly modified so they can fit in this smaller design. The head is slightly larger, but here on the end is a silicone ear tip, which means you get a better fit regardless of your ear shape. Straight off my wish list, active noise cancellation. How does this work? Well, a microphone on the outside of the device will cancel out background noise, while a microphone inside will balance it out even more. Apple calls this anti-noise. I tried this on a recent flight and have to say for its size, it does a pretty good job. It's not going to block off sound as well as a pair of over-ear noise cancellation headphones, but you have one less bulky thing to fit in your backpack. And if you travel a lot, that's a good thing. If, for example, you need to listen in on your surroundings, you can pinch on the capacitive force sensor on the stem to switch to transparency mode. All of a sudden, you'll hear the outside world. You can also do it from your iPhone. Just go to Control Center, press and hold on the volume slider, and voila, the settings are right there. You can also control this from your Apple Watch, but I haven't installed the update just yet. Of course, these are Pro AirPods, so expect them to sound better. Apart from new custom drivers that improve bass performance, what I really find interesting is how they use a microphone that's inside your ear to measure what your ear is actually hearing. And then based on your ear's geometry, artificial intelligence is used to give you the best sound. I will need more time to tell you how good the sound is compared to other in-ear headphones, but I can tell you that based on my initial testing, the sound does feel richer, the bass warmer, and the highs clearer. The AirPods Pro are available starting October 30th and will retail for just under $250 US, or about 379 Singapore dollars. Apple says replacement silicone ear tips will also be sold separately. And that was our AirPods Pro unboxing and hands-on. Sorry the uploads have been slow, folks. I've been under the weather for the last week or so, and it still sounds like it in my voice, but I'm ready to get back to work. If you'd like to see a review or a comparison video, let me know in the comments section below. And to make sure you don't miss that video and or other uploads, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we post those videos. Follow us on social media for all the behind-the-scenes fun stuff. And as always, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm MICHAELJOSH. Thanks for dropping by.